Hi everyone, hope you people are doing great and having a great time. I'm making this short video for people who are aiming for some muscle gains and are going to gym obviously. So it is very simple guys. We make things very complicated. So the way that I do, I'm just going to tell you that, and that has given me results in an amazing way, right? So let's suppose I want to gain some muscle. I want to get into gaining mode and gain some lean muscle, right? So the first thing, I will set a goal. Now, in my case, let's suppose I want to go for it for 6 weeks, right? So in the first week, the first thing that I will do is that I'll go to Google and I'll check my BMR, and I know it is somewhere around 2000. I'm a 80 kg guy and it is somewhere around 2000. So first week, and let me just first explain you how this muscle, how we gain weight or we gain muscle. So when you see uh, the amount of calorie that your body need and the amount of calorie that you intake, there lies the equation of this gaining and losing. So in order to gain some muscle mass, I will keep myself at calorie surplus. So the amount of calorie that I will invest throughout the day, I will be intaking a little amount of more, and I'll uniformly increasing this amount of calorie over the week. So let me explain you how I will do it. So my BMR is 2000 calorie, and in the first week I have taken a 6 weeks of target. So in the first week I will start with somewhere around, let's suppose, 2100 calorie, right, in the first week. So I'll keep my protein high. I'll make sure that my proteins are up to the mark. You can have your protein 2 grams of protein per kg of your weight, and you can have somewhere around from 0.7 to 1 gram of fats per kg of your body weight. And when I talk about fats, make sure that you have good fat that we call unsaturated fats, and try to have complex carbohydrate rather than simple carbohydrate. So this is the first week, and I am consuming somewhere around 2100 calories, and throughout this week I will be uniformly consuming this amount of calorie. In the next week, that is week 2, I'll increase my calories by 200. Maybe I can increase 1 banana or 1-2 roti in my meals. That will suffice. And then I will continue for next 7 days on increase 200 calories. That means now I am consuming 2300 calories, right? And moving on to the third week, again I will increase 200 calories, and I will reach at 2500 calories per day throughout the week. So week 4 would be 2700 calorie when I increase by 200, and week 5 would be 2900 calorie, and week 5th, that is my last week 6th, that is my last week, will be somewhere around 3100 calories. So every time when I increase this calorie by 200, obviously you should not try to eat a lot of food at one time. It's better you increase your frequency of eating. That means you have to add more meals to your day, right? If I tell you, a scoop of protein will also be counted as a meal, right? So it's not that you have a proper lunch, that is your meal. So anything, 2 banana is also your meal. So you have to calculate your calorie accordingly, and then you have to do it. And moving on, this is all about food. Few things which are very important to remember. The first being is that keep your protein 2 grams per kg of your weight throughout this journey, 6 week of journey. Keep your fats in between 0.7 to 1 gram per kg of weight, and keep on increasing your carbohydrates, complex carbohydrates, right? So this is the plan. Moving on to the exercise. In terms of exercise, try doing the compound movements. When I say compound movement, what are those? Any exercise that involves more than one muscle group of your body. The best compound movement that I like would be squats, bench press, the deadlift, and of course if you have an issue, back issue, don't go for deadlift, skip it. And those who are going ahead for deadlift, keep an instructor beside you if you are new. And other form of exercise could be body weight. Body weight exercises also are very useful and are very result oriented. You can perform pull-ups, push-ups, a lot of things are there. So the point that I want to make, go for compound movement, right? It will give you a lot of lot more muscle mass compared to other forms of exercise, right? And also try doing at least 3 times cardio. It could be 10 to 15 minutes cardio, running on treadmill or doing some cycling post your weight training. At least 3 times a week. So that is the cardio part, because it will take care of your because we are having a lot of calorie and we are having a lot of surplus, so it will make sure that you don't add up a lot of fat in your body. So that's it. So this is all about the exercise and the nutrition. In terms of supplementation, you can add obviously whey protein if you protein requirements are not getting fulfilled. And one of the very important, very I would say very nice supplement is creatine. It can act like a catalyst in this process of gaining muscle mass. So it's very amazing supplement. You should add it. And that's all about supplementation, exercise, and this nutrition. And give it a try. Give yourself time. Give it 5 weeks, 6 weeks, and then see how what are the improvement that you have achieved, and let me know was it helpful for you or not. So that's all for now. Thank you.